Oh, I just twitched my ankle. There's blowing snow. It's really difficult out here on this road. There goes the snowplow. Winds are maybe gusting up to 50, maybe even 60. But zero visibility right now. I cannot see a thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just dropped my glove and it went 50 feet. This is how it's bad. This is how bad the winds are. Zero visibility. About to cross this road. I'm walking. No problem. Walking on snow right now. It's so drift. I am about to cross this road. This is this road right now. There is so much fucking snow right now on this road. I don't even know how we can make it through this stuff. Oh my god, there's so much snow around. Oh my gosh. There is so much snow and wind. It is unbelievable. This person right now is about to back out of the driveway. Let's see how this guy goes it. Look at this car getting go. Zero visibility right now in this row. There goes the plow. Absolutely not. There goes the plow. The plows are doing the roads right now. So I'm going to take this road home. Zero visibility. I don't even think you can tell what is the road and what isn't. Can you see the snowplows out there anymore? Just flashing lights. Oh my god, look at this one in front of us. Oh my god! Got just opened a snow double. Like, what is this? There goes another snowplow. We got most of the snow done. Whatever road they got done with, I'm riding my bike on. Live coverage from Oak Forest, Illinois. Worst blizzard that is going on right now. On the road right now, it's like zero visibility right now. The winds are gusting up to right at 60 right now. Trees hanging down really low. There goes the power outage. Look at that. The snow here is unbelievable.